to love you. Love you, love you. Come down, right now, right now, right now. You turned out, you too wild, too wild, too wild, you too wild, and I need you now. Lost it, I'm sorry. Sorry when it's easy. Oh, you're sorry. Eyes don't lie. What you want to be true. Fire, fire. I think you burning. Everything's burning. Fire too high. Your wings flying out. Your body's too good to be true. I'm good. Right for you. I'm just bad. I'm staying. Be here. Turn out. Burn up. From me. Go hard. Know me. You were gone, yeah. I was lost in. Beat up. I was one flesh. No Caesar. You found me. In your bed. I found me. Oh, Jesus. I was too wild. 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 And I need you now. Lost it. Find out. Yeah. You gotta let me know if I could be a Joseph. Only take a real shit. That's the Tino shit. Don't trip. That pussy slippery, know it. We ain't tripping on shit. We just sipping on this. Just forget the whole shit. We can laugh about nothing. I impregnate your mind. Let's have a baby without fucking yo. I know it's corny bitches. You wish you could unfollow. I know it's corny niggas. You wish you could unswallow. I know it's corny bitches. You wish you could unfollow. I know it's corny niggas. You wish you could unswallow. And I know it's corny bitches. You wish you could unfollow. I know it's corny niggas. You wish you could unswallow. You try to play nice. Everybody just took advantage. You left your fridge open. Somebody just took a sandwich. I said, baby, what? You was clubbing, thugging, hustling before you met your husband. Then I said, what if Mary was in the club? But she met Joseph around hella thugs, clubbing Nori and Lamb's Wool. We surrounded by the fucking wolves. What if Mary was in the club? But she met Joseph with no love, cover Saint and Lamb's Wool. We surrounded by the fucking wolves.